Hi friends, welcome back to Tiffany's Home and Lifestyle. Today we're just keeping it very simple. I'm making chicken teriyaki, white rice, and broccoli. Today I'm actually having one of those tired, lazy days, and I really didn't want to cook, so I just wanted to make something very simple. So this meal was perfect because it only took me about 20 minutes. So first, let's go ahead and get the chicken all seasoned. You could use chicken breast, you could use chicken thighs or chicken tenders. Just make sure it's boneless. To get the chicken well seasoned, I'm using sage, thyme, garlic powder, onion powder, parsley, and this chicken rub. What I truly love is even though I was tired and this only took me 20 minutes, it had my house smell like I've been in the kitchen cooking all day. I also added some fresh minced garlic and crushed red peppers to give it a kick. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and give the chicken a good rub and get all of the seasoning all throughout the chicken, evenly distributed. Because as I said before, we're big time on flavor here in my home. So this is how it's supposed to look, fully seasoned. So now I'm going to just sit the chicken to the side and get this broccoli prepared. So I'm going to take the broccoli out of that bowl and put it on the metal sheet tray and cut it up into smaller pieces. For flavor, I'll be using this Dash seasoning and onion powder. So being that I'm tired today, I'm going to go ahead and make dinner early so that once my daughter gets home from school around 4 o'clock, I don't have to do anything later. She could just come home, do her homework, get settled in, and dinner is already complete. So now I'm going to throw the broccoli in the oven and get started on the rice. So for the rice water, I'm going to use salt and chicken bouillon for flavor. It's time to get this chicken cooking. So let me go ahead and put some olive oil in the pan and get this chicken going. So this rice water is ready. So I'm going to go ahead and pour the rice in. And I also ended up putting some red pepper and green pepper in the rice just for extra flavor. So once the chicken was finished cooking, I went ahead and used my meat scissors and cut it up into small pieces. And I added some red pepper, green pepper, and onions, and my teriyaki sauce. This kitchen smells amazing. So everything is coming together pretty quickly. The rice is finished, so now I'm just going to go ahead and let the meat simmer, and dinner should be ready soon. So friends, what are you making for dinner tonight? I hope this gave you an easy idea of something you could make. My mouth is truly watering right now with all these yummy smells in the house. it's time to take the broccoli out of the oven. So my family loves it when I add Parmesan cheese to the broccoli. It also makes it a little bit easier for me to get my 11-year-old to eat her vegetables. So dinner is served. We have another simple meal in the book. It doesn't have to be complicated to be good. So when I gave my 11-year-old daughter her plate, she said it feels like she's in a restaurant. And I told her, you are. You're in Chef Mama Tiff's kitchen. And of course, I have to try it for you guys. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your evening with me. If you enjoy realistic, simple cooking and home life content, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps my channel grow. I truly appreciate every single one of you watching. And I'll see you in the next one here at Tiffany's Home and Lifestyle.